we are going to discuss the next point, that is balancing a chemical equation. Now dear students, we know that what is chemical equation. Now the information which can be written instead of words, we can write in the form of chemical symbols or chemical formulas. Now this represent NaOH means what? Sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. It gives sodium sulfate plus water. Now this reaction have to be balanced. Now what is mean by balancing of chemical reaction? The chemical reaction contains these two are reactants. Now these are the products. We know right side of arrow it is products present, and left side of the arrow reactants are present. Now dear students, keep in your mind how much reactants we are going to add in the equation while mixing these two reactants together. These many reactants have to be present in product, no less and neither more reactants should be present, because how many reactants we are going to mix, that many reactants are should be present in the product. That's why we have to balance the chemical equation. This example is given and we have to balance the chemical equation. Just we have to understand which elements are given here. Now we have to prepare one table here. Table contains three columns. One column, first column contains elements. Second column contains LHS side elements and quantity, and RHS side quantity of element. Okay. Now elements are present in this reaction, that is sodium Na, oxygen, hydrogen, and last one is what? Sulfur. Now these four elements included in all this reaction. Another elements are not included. Now we have to see how many sodium elements are present in the left hand side. Now we can see that only one sodium is here, means what? In left hand side only one sodium is here. Now while we are going to understand to either side, that is RHS side, now we can see that two sodiums are here. Now we can write quantity of sodium in RHS side, that is 2. Now we can see oxygen, one oxygen is here and 4 oxygens are here, means what? 5 oxygens are there in left hand side, and here 4 oxygen, and this is 1. Now this is also 5. Now oxygen is totally balanced in this reaction. Now we can see hydrogen, 1 hydrogen plus this 2 becomes 3, and in left hand side 3 hydrogens are there, and right hand side only 2 hydrogens are there. Now we have to see how many S are there in reactant side, left hand side. S, only 1 S, and here is also only 1 S. Now we can see oxygen and sulfur, these two are balanced to both the side, but we have to balance sodium also in left hand side and hydrogen also. Now keep in your mind students, we have to balance the chemical equation while multiplying the numbers, not by adding the numbers. Now if we add the numbers, we will see it will change the name of the compound. Just if we want to multiply this thing, then we are getting the equal quantity of the reactant and product. Now dear students, we can balance this reaction while using this method also. Now we can understand the simple method. Just we have to find out how many Na are here, just 1, and we have seen in right hand side in product 2 Na are there. That's why we can write 2 here. This 2 means what? This 2 will multiply with Na also, this 2 will multiply with oxygen also, and these 2 will multiply with hydrogen also. Now that becomes sodium becomes 2, oxygen becomes 2 and hydrogen becomes 2. Now in this balancing of sodium, we are seeing that sodium in product side, right hand side, 2 sodiums are there, and in left hand side also 2 sodiums are there. But simultaneously oxygen becomes 2. These 2 oxygen plus these 4 oxygens becomes 6 oxygen. Now we are going to see these are 4 oxygens and 1 oxygen. Now just when we are going to equalize the amount of oxygen, just we have to write 2 here. That means simultaneously this 2 will multiply with this hydrogen amount of 2 and oxygen is also become 2. Now simultaneously when we are going to equalize the oxygen, this hydrogens become 4. Understand now? Now we can easily equalize or easily balance the chemical equation. Just we have to write, we have to multiply these numbers. Just we will see when we multiply with 2, this 1 sodium will multiply with 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 sodiums are here, now 2 sodiums are here. Now simultaneously when we are going to equalize sodium, this 2 will multiply with oxygen also. Now this oxygen becomes 2 and this oxygen 4 oxygen, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Now this 4 oxygen plus this 1 oxygen, when we write 2 here, this will multiply with 1 oxygen, 2 ones are 2 plus 4 becomes 6 oxygen. Keep in your mind, this 2 will multiply with 1 oxygen, 2 ones are 2 plus 4, 6, and these 4 oxygens are present as it is and 2 ones are 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Now simultaneously when we are going to equalize 2, this hydrogen becomes 4, hydrogen 2 2s are 4. Now we will see in reactants 2 hydrogens are here and these 2 ones are 2 hydrogens are here. Now like this we can balance the chemical equation. Now we will see the next example. Second example is given, SO2 plus 2H2S, it gives 3S plus 2H2O. Now in this type of reaction we have to see whether this reaction is balanced or not. Now we will see in left hand side reactants are present, and in reactants sulfur, hydrogen and oxygen are present. Now in left hand side how many sulfurs are here? 1 plus these 2 sulfurs. Now this 2 is written in common before the compound, that means every element will multiply with these 2. 2 ones are 2 and this one becomes 3S. Now oxygens are 2, that means this 2 will multiply with this oxygen. Now hydrogen, how many hydrogens are there? 2 2s are 4, that's why this 2 will multiply with 2 hydrogen becomes 2 2s are 4. Another example is given here, 2Ag plus 2HCl gives 2AgCl plus H2. Now in this type of reaction we can see that in reactant side 2Ag, Ag means silver, 2 silvers are present. Now 2 hydrogens are 2 and chlorine is also 2. This 2 which is written to the back side of the any compound or chemical reactant, these 2 will multiply to the both. Now we can see that 2 chlorines, 2 hydrogens and 2 Ag. Ag means silver. Now this 2 is written here before AgCl gives 2Ag, 2Cl, that means 2 Cls and 2 Ag are present and 2 hydrogen. Like this we can say that these 3 can be balanced chemical equation. Now keep in your mind always in reactants how many elements we have taken, that many element has to be present in the right hand side in the product. Okay.